it's raining. I had so much stuff I wanted to do today.
I'm going out in it.
No, Luigi, come on.
So where's Luigi?
He's playing out in the rain like a 2-year-old.
I'm back from my trip.
You're cleaning this up.
Oh, gross. Luigi, why do you have to do that to our bed? Fine. If you guys are gonna be like that, I'm going somewhere else. People take showers. I don't get it. Wouldn't you rather just take a shower in God's shower? Like, surely I'm not the only one who takes showers in God's shower. I know I do. Huh? I love God's shower too. Oh, baby.
The hell is that? Hi, Mario. That's what I thought you fixed that board. Well, I tried to. I did try to. What's all the water for? Luigi? Oh, yeah.
We are both soaking, but we're together. 'Cause we're showering in the rain. Huh?
Get down.
Huh? Me.
From now on, it's just me watching. But, Daddy, you only have one eye. Well, you have 2 eyes, but one missing pupil. With 3 eyes, it will be a much better view. I guess you're right.
Okay, everyone. Today we're kidnapping Mario and Peach because I feel like I need to be a little bit more evil because it's what I do, and I just I don't want to hurt anyone, but I just feel like I have to kidnap someone or do something because I have to be evil. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know what you mean, boss.
So yeah, we're gonna kidnap Mario and Peach today.
Sing in the rain. And it's totally fine because I'm with Bunny Bunny.
Showering in the rain, and I'm totally fine. 'Cause I'm with my honey bunny. Because I'm showering in the rain. Ah! Let go of me.
Showering in the rain. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. Oh, Mario, that was so awesome. You should have seen it. Wait, hang on, Mario, where are you, Mario? Oi, Fatso, wake up. Where's Mario?
Oh, Luigi, why'd you have to do that?
Where's Mario?
I don't know. I was just sleeping.
Well, I need to go look for him.
Okay.
Mario, have you decided to come out in the rain too? Please, answer me.
So stupid. How do you not know that the Goombas took Mario and Peach? How do you know that the Goombas took Mario and Peach? 'Cause I spied them with my little eye. Oh.
Oh, Mario, please don't jump out from under the trampoline or something. Please just come out and tell me where you are. Oh, Mario. Huh? What the hell? Huh? My God. What the... Oh, it's coming from over here. Oh my God. Oh my God. What? Buddy. What happened to you? Who did this to you? Oh my God, buddy. Oh my God, buddy. I need to get you to a doctor, but the only doctor around here is Mario in his doctor suit. Oh no, why would Boo do this to you?
Wow, that is one twisted little man.
Dude, shut up. Why would Boo do this to you? Buddy. I need to go find Mario. Bowser, come on.
No, don't drag me along.
Something's weird. Maybe if Boo did this to Buddy, what if he did it to Mario? Need to go find out. Oi! Where's Mario? You better tell me where Mario is!
Hang on, Luigi. I got this. Boo! You better tell me where Mario is, or I'm warning you. I'm in a mood where I kind of feel like I just want to squeeze something, one of those squishy balls. But I reckon you do fine.
No. We didn't take Mario. My Goombas aren't here. They're the ones that usually kidnap people. They're not here.
Well, then they must have Mario.
No, they're on a vacation in Florida.
Luigi, do you believe him?
No, I don't.
Honestly, I don't really care. I kind of believe him. Because I just want to go back and chill on the mattress.
Bowser, your laziness is less important than Mario.
Ugh. You're lucky you got away with this one.
Okay, you guys can come out now. Yeah. If you want those guys to be free, you'll have to wait for part 2. And like and subscribe if you enjoyed this.